Good morning, ladies and gentlemen that are listening to today's news on MCP television. My name is Emmanuel Oluwapelumi Oshikoya, and I've brought to you the number one news that have set everywhere on fire. This is the headline news. Anybody that come to my fan page or to my WhatsApp to DM me for Christmas gifts, or maybe fortunately you sent to me your junior ones to ask for your Christmas clothes, or maybe you call me one-on-one to ask for your Christmas gift, the first thing that I will first of all do is to block you on my WhatsApp. After that, I will block you on my Facebook. I will unfollow you on Instagram. I will unfriend you on Twitter. And if you are forming too stubborn that you even have the guts to come to my house to ask me for Christmas food, I will call police to arrest you. I will inform the Malian SARS to just take you to prison for no reason. I know those people, they have no malice. They will kill you and nothing will happen. And you, if you are proving too stubborn, maybe after all those things you are not satisfied, I will tell God, because of you, you should change next year date. You should bring back 2020. I think if you bring back your protection and you bring back your curfew, you understand the reason why I said no gift for this December. Because there is no money everywhere. Because rats have stolen all the money in my account. Snake came last night to move all the money and all the rice that I've kept for December. Are you getting me? Thank you very much. The news for today won't be more than this. I remain your MC Pelomex, aka Octator, Sonto, like Tola, like say, Elemix Elore Kujo. Meet me on this same TV at MCP television by this time tomorrow at 12 noon. Are you getting me?